We're in a full paradigm shift like we've never seen before. It's disrupting $1 trillion industry.
Welcome to Inside the AI Studio, where we go behind the scenes with the pioneers, artists, and innovators using AI to revolutionize Hollywood.
If you need to shoot gladiators in a coliseum, that's something that's going to cost you hundreds of thousands to look decent, millions of dollars to look great. But what if you could do it for a substantial fraction of that?
We need more sophisticated instruments than just word input.
I think what actors bring to the table when they're performing is such nuances that sometimes AI might not come up with.
From virtual production breakthroughs.
All that stuff that used to be in racks of equipment and carrying cases and the whole 9 yards is now in an iPhone.
To AI models that understand our world.
A lot of people think like AI is a new camera. AI is not a new camera. AI is the world.
Hollywood is being revolutionized by creators who refuse to wait for permission.
You're going to find people being able to make Avatar, and they're going to do it where every person gets to be Andy Serkis.
What's standing between us and kind of a next level of innovation is literally the computing power.
But this isn't about replacing humans.
I want to enable people that were not creatives or not filmmakers.
Between the four of us, each of us is prompted over 1 million times.
It's about empowering storytellers to do the impossible.
Starlight is almost like imagining and recreating the pixel.
Now they're being driven by this procedural, infinitely complex, trillion-parameter neural network.
From AI on the lot and VP Land, this is Inside the AI Studio. All episodes available now.